बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 22 सितंबर 2024 के अखबार में, और कुछ जॉब्स 22 सितंबर के डॉन संडे की भी इसी वीडियो में शेयर करूँगी। तो पहली जॉब है पोजीशन वैकेंट वाइस चांसलर प्राइड PIDE इस्टेब्लिश इन 1957। ये मैं बताती हूँ आप लोगों को। द कैंडिडेट शुड बी पाकिस्तानी नेशनल PhD इन इकोनॉमिक्स फ्रॉम अ रिनाउंड HEC रिकग्नाइज्ड नेशनल/इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी, quality research publication in HEC recognized national/international research journals, at least 15 years technical/academic experience including 7 years postdoctoral experience of working in senior/management leadership position in well reputed organization, possesses outstanding and inspiring leadership with strong interpersonal and influencing skills and proven academics excellence. Awards in the field of economics will have extra weightage. General provisions are following. Appointment will be on contractual basis for a period of 5 years as per PIDE Act 2010. Age should not be more than 65 years on the closing date of application submission. Attractive package will be offered. PIDE is an equal opportunity employer. Appointment will be on merit basis. Part-time, honorary, apprentice and internee experience will not be counted towards the minimum experience required. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview by the search committee. Not EADA will be admissible for appearing in interview. Those already in government service should apply through proper channel. The decision of VC search committee shall be final. Applicants fulfilling the above mentioned eligibility criteria may submit their detailed CV/resume on the email vcsearchcommittee@pide.org.pk, vcsearchcommittee@pide.org.pk within 15 days of the publication of this advertisement. पब्लिकेशन डेट है जनाब रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 22 सितंबर 2024, अलॉन्ग विथ 300 वर्ड्स institutional plan mentioning therein applicants' vision to strengthen and enhance possibilities of development and sustenance of PIDE. Dr. Arshad Hussain Hashmi, Registrar, Pakistan Institute of Development Economics PIDE, Qaid-e-Azam यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस इस्लामाबाद पाकिस्तान। टेलीफोन नंबर 9251924805 9251924805। ईमेल vcsearchcommittee@pide.org.pk, vcsearchcommittee@pide.org.pk, पोस्ट बॉक्स 1091 इस्लामाबाद, www.pide.org.pk, www.pide.org.pk। अच्छा जी, ये वाली जो जॉब्स हैं, ये वाली अब जॉब्स जो बता रही हूँ ये आई थी डॉन संडे सितंबर 22 2024 के अखबार में। सखर IBA यूनिवर्सिटी, सखर IBA यूनिवर्सिटी मेरिट क्वालिटी एक्सीलेंस करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़। Sakhar IBA University invites applications from dynamic, qualified and result oriented। अच्छा, यहाँ पे लास्ट डेट भी लिखी हुई है। लास्ट डेट टू अप्लाई 22 अक्टूबर 2024. Sakhar IBA University invites application from dynamic, qualified and result-oriented candidates for following positions on contract basis. Number 1, Registrar BPS 20. Tenure post for the period of 3 years, extendable based upon performance. Qualification BBA/MBA/MA और equivalent qualification. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है 16 years of education at least second division from HEC recognized university/institution. Experience minimum 14 years of relevant administrative experience with at least 5 years in a position equivalent to BPS 18 or above. Preference will be given to candidate with experience in an educational institution. Age limit 35 to 50 years. Number 2, Director Planning and Development P&D BPS 20. Qualification Bachelor's in Civil Engineering, preferably in first class or equivalent. Qualification from HEC recognized university/institution. Experience minimum 14 years of relevant experience in post equivalent to grade 17 and above in a university board, college and a government department/autonomous organization, or qualification masters in civil engineering or equivalent qualifications from HEC recognized university. Experience 10 years of relevant experience in post equivalent to grade 17 and above in a university board, college and a government department/autonomous organization. Age limit 35 to 50 years. Number 3, Director Works and Services BPS 20. Qualification Bachelor's in Civil Engineering, preferably in first class or equivalent qualification from HEC recognized university/institution. Experience minimum 14 years of relevant experience in post equivalent to grade 17 and above in a university board, college and a government department/autonomous organization, or qualification masters in civil engineering or equivalent qualifications from HEC recognized university. Experience 10 years of relevant experience in post equivalent to grade 17 and above in a university board, college and a government department/autonomous organization. Age limit 35 to 50 years. Accounts Officer BPS 17. Qualification 16 years of education in finance and/or accounts, at least second division from HEC recognized university/institution. Experience minimum 2 years of relevant experience in the field of finance and/or accounts and/or budget in the government/semi-government institution. Preference will be given to candidates with experience in an educational institution. Age limit 30 years. 5, Assistant Registrar Admin BPS 17. Qualification 16 years of education in any discipline, at least second division from HEC recognized university/institution. Experience minimum of 2 years experience in office administration. Preference will be given to candidates with experience in an educational institution. 6, Medical Officer Male BPS 17. Qualification MBBS or equivalent qualification from PMDC recognized medical university/college. Experience 1 year house job is mandatory in either public sector hospital or any institution recognized by PMDC, preferably 6 months medicine department and 6 months surgery casualty department. Age limit 28 years. 7. General physician, female, BPS 17, qualification MBBS or equivalent qualification from PMDC, recognized medical university/college. Experience 1 year, house job is mandatory. In either public sector hospital or any institution recognized by PMDC, preferably. 6 months medicine/casualty department and 6 months gynecology department. Age limit 28 years. 8. Assistant accounts officer, BPS 16, qualification 16 years, education in finance and or accounts at least second division from HSC recognized university/institution. Note: preference will be given to the candidates having some relevant experience. Age limit 28 years. Guidelines to apply. Last date to apply 22nd October 2024. Interested candidates may submit online applications at http://apply.iba-suk.edu.pk http://apply.iba-suk.edu.pk. After submission of online applications, candidates may download system generated challan of ₹2500 ब्रैकेट में लिखा है नॉन रिफंडेबल फॉर BPS 17 एंड अबव एंड ₹1000 नॉन रिफंडेबल फॉर BPS 16 and below. Challan can be deposited in any branch of ABL Bank. Candidates are required to upload their required degrees, CNIC, domicile, PRC, relevant experience, certificates, one recent photograph and deposited challan when applying online. Candidates already in government services must apply through proper channel. Providing fictitious, exaggerated or misleading information shall result in rejection of application and termination of employment at any stage. The competent authority reserves the right to increase or decrease the number of positions and accept or reject any or all the applications without assigning any reason thereof and cancel the whole recruitment process. Age relaxation will be as per Government of Sindh notification if any. Age limit will be counted till the last date of application/deadline. Registrar निसार अहमद सिद्दीकी रोड सक्खर. फ़ोन नंबर 07156440000 07156440000 and 5644 5644 और 5644 5644 और 113 फैक्स 07158044419 07158044419. अच्छा जी, ये एक और जॉब है जो कि आई थी डॉन संडे 22 सितंबर की. ये है पोजीशन साउथ कराची. एक्सपीरियंस्ड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स मैनेजर अवेलेबल फॉर कंसल्टेंसी विथ ओवर 40 years of expertise in contracts management. I specialize in writing contractual letters, preparing variation orders and extension of time claims, tender submission and evaluation, budget and cost control. Interested companies to contact 0306 200 336 0306 200 336. अच्छा, ये 22 सितंबर की डॉन की जॉब है. आरिफ हबीब ग्रुप. जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी कराची. Arif Habib Group is committed to developing sustainable communities, iconic commercial projects, and retail promenades for the progressive segment of our society. Our projects are transformative, socially impactful, and environmentally responsible. We are recognized as the most trusted name in business with a legacy of delivering some of the finest डेवलपमेंट्स इन द कंट्री आर रियल इस्टेट। ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है जी। मैं आप लोगों को ये बता देती हूँ, द सेल्स फंक्शन प्लेस अ क्रूशल रोल towards the success of any real estate development. A career in sales offers an enriched professional life. The job is challenging, intellectually stimulating, relies on experience and efforts, provides lifelong relationships, and is financially aspirational. Join our sales team and write your own success story. We are looking for personalities with integrity, drive, imagination, and ambition. We provide a supportive and dynamic environment for personal and professional growth. The finest real estate offered at highly competitive rates, opportunities to earn unlimited compensation while forging lasting relationships. Compensation while forging lasting relationships. Send your CV marked black inverted commas में लिखा हुआ है sales to hr@ahdecpl.com, hr@ahdecpl.com, और WhatsApp 0335222214, 0335222214। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।